In this video, we'll be demonstrating how Morro Data Cloud NAS and JumpCloud LDAP together migrate the traditional file server and domain controller to the cloud. This lift and shift makes even more sense for businesses with multiple locations, as a complex IT scenario is simplified with a cloud-first approach. First, a quick introduction to Morro Data Cloud NAS. Cloud NAS is a hybrid cloud solution to sync, lock, and protect files across multiple locations. It keeps data safe in the cloud while maintaining the fast and familiar NAS interface for users. As the diagram shows, each of the two locations has a cache drive, which works as a gateway and cache to the files in the cloud. While the PC users interface to the cache drive as NAS shares, the Morro Global Filesystem syncs the files in real time among the cache drives at multiple locations. Cloud NAS supports Microsoft Active Directory. However, some users also like to migrate their domain controllers to the cloud. JumpCloud's Director-as-a-Service centralizes and simplifies identity management in the cloud. By integrating JumpCloud LDAP with Morro Data's Cloud NAS, both domain controller and traditional NAS are migrated with modern cloud benefits without sacrificing performance or control. For brevity, this demo assumes that the user has already set up the JumpCloud LDAP service and has installed the JumpCloud agent on the client PCs. This demo will cover how to set up a Morro Data Cloud NAS account, how to configure JumpCloud single sign-on for Cloud NAS, how to add a user in JumpCloud, and how to add a cache drive to sync data to the new location. Before setting up the Morro Data Cloud NAS account, first connect your physical or VM cache drive gateway to the network. Then go to account.morrodata.com and follow the sign-up procedure. After the confirmation email, a Cloud NAS account has been created at the portal, mycompany.morrodata.com. Then create the password on the first login. At the Cloud NAS portal, first we go to the File System tab to create a share that we will use for this demo. We'll name the share My Share. Cloud NAS supports multiple share types, and we choose the sync share for multi-site syncing. Now the share we just created appears in the cloud portal. The device page shows that there is only one cache drive installed, called SF cache drive. We'll add a second cache drive later. Then, go to the team page to configure JumpCloud LDAP for authentication. The configuration is quite straightforward. First, we specify the LDAP server location, in this case, ldap.jumpcloud.com. Then, we copy the organization DN from the JumpCloud LDAP page to Cloud NAS. Lastly, we copy the LDAP admin's DN from JumpCloud to Cloud NAS. Now enter the LDAP admin's password. We can now switch to the LDAP mode. Note that we have imported an existing user JC1 demo from JumpCloud to Cloud NAS. This user JC1 demo can now access the share My Share on the cache drive. Inside the Windows File Explorer, JC1 enters the cache drive's hostname SF cache drive. Click on the My Share folder, and JC1 creates a new file called Created by JC1. We can now see this file in the MCM Cloud portal. Next, we'll create a new user, JC2 demo, in the JumpCloud and sync this new user to Cloud NAS. For JC2's access permissions, we assign a primary group to the new user. In the JumpCloud System tab, we assign authorized PCs for JC2. One of the PCs is turned off, and that's why you see the red alert status. And we assign JC2 to be managed under JumpCloud LDAP. Now, let's add a second cache drive in the new location. Make sure the new cache drive is turned on and connected to the network so we can add it to the Cloud NAS account. We assign the name NY cache drive to the new cache drive. Now NY cache drive is syncing the configuration as well as existing files from the cloud. Syncing is fast because only metadata is transferred. After syncing, JC2 will access my share from the new NY cache drive. We can see the existing file that was created by JC1 using SF cache drive. Now, JC2 will create a new file using NY cache drive. You can see this newly created file in the MCM portal, but the owner of this file is just an SID number. To show the name of the new user, let's sync the LDAP server with CloudNAS. And now the username is correctly displayed. In this demo, we have shown that it's easy to set up JumpCloud LDAP for CloudNAS. For a business with one or multiple locations, it's simple to keep the benefits of NAS and Active Directory while migrating to a cloud-first architecture. We showed a demo of 2 sites, but it's almost as easy to set up for more sites. Thank you for watching this demo.